This is page 25 in your packet. We're going to practice doing our AAs, SSSs, and SASs a little bit more. So this first one, it looks like it might be a side angle side because that's the information I have. So I'm going to go ahead and write side angle side. We know for sure that we've got the angles because they're marked with one mark that tells me they're the same. So I'm going to take the smaller one, 3, and I'm going to put it over 9. I'm going to reduce that, and I get 1/3. I'm going to take the 5 over the 15. I reduce that, and I get 1/3. So I've got two sides that are the same proportionally, two angles. So that means I'm right, it's a side angle side. Now I need to write my statement. I'm going to say EFG is similar to, so it's going to be RTS. And this is where order is so very important. All right, this is side, side, side. So, because that's all the information I had. So if it's going to be similar, it's going to be by side, 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 because no angles are marked. So let's start with the smallest one. And I'm going to say 22 over 16. That reduces to 11 over 8. I'm going to go to the biggest, 35 and 25. 35 and 25. That reduces to 7 over 5. Well, this and this are not the same. They should be. Since they are not, this is not similar. This next one, I'm going to go ahead and mark it because, well, I'm a genius. And we know that vertical angles are the same. So if that one is 42, that one is 42. Now all I have to do, I'm going to find this missing angle. If this turns out to be similar, it's going to be an AA because I don't have any side information. To find that missing D, I'm going to say 42 plus 85 plus whatever D is going to equal 180. If I work that out, 42 plus 85, then I subtract that from 180, I end up with D is 58. Kidding, 53. Okay, so now I do have a matching angle. I have that 42 and 42, and then I've got this 53 and 53. So all I need is an AA. It matches. I'm going to say DBC is similar. So I started at 53, went to 42, went to 85. So I need to start at A, go to 42, finish at the end. There you go. All right. This last one, all of this information I have is going to be side, side, side. So I've got this purple triangle and this red triangle. All right, so we just need to check the proportions for each side. So let's start with this leg, 12 over 16. When you reduce that in your calculator, on this page, I need you to do 11, 12, 13, and 14. One will be not similar. One will be AA. One will be SAS, and one will be SSS. After you figure out which one is which, I need you to write your similar statements. Triangle whatever is similar to triangle whatever. Thank you.